Hello, welcome back, and we are going to continue this question. I'm not going to go back through this again. You can go back to the previous example, but for now, let's go back to the green here. So starting at age 50, $1,300 every quarter into 7% compounded quarterly until she reaches age 60. So what I want to do is I want to go ahead and start the TVM, and on the TVM we of course have these variables. Okay, so capital N. Well, this is compounded quarterly for 10 years. So that'll make that 40. I%, and the interest rate here is 7%. Present value is how much is in the account today, but she hasn't started saving yet, so there's nothing in that account. The PMT is the payments, and in this case, if we go back up, the payments are $1,300. So she's losing $1,300 effectively because she can't spend it. The future value is what we want to figure out. And the future value is going to give us what we got earlier, and I'll come back to that, 4 and 4 there. So go into the calculator, type those in, do alpha y equals enter, and you're going to see $74,404.37. There you go. Awesome. Now, this is the future value. That's how much is in the account at age 60. And then she's going to take this and plug that into the new one, I guess. The easiest way of saying that. So again, we're going to do a new annuity. Okay, so for this new annuity, we're going to take the future value here and we're going to put this into that new account. So she is receiving this money and then she's going to immediately put it into another account, which means she's going to lose it again, but that's going to become the present value of that new account. So this is going to go up here as a negative $74,404.37. It's important that you understand that it's negative because she is receiving that from this annuity, but then she's immediately losing it again to another annuity, or in other words, another compound, or basically another account, right? So she's not going to touch it again, so it's effectively lost to her for this time. Okay, so for this new one, we need to figure out what N is. So for N in the new one, we had compounding events of 12 times a year, and the time is 5. So this will be 12 times 5. The I% was the interest rate, which was 9%. The payments. Now, this is the interesting thing. Here's the great thing about the TVM solver. I can actually combine these two steps into one here. So this PMT is actually going to be that negative 400 that we saw in the second part of that. The future value is just what we're going to figure out. So, in fact, I'll put that with pink there, because that's what's going to be in the bank at the end of that time. And then the P/Y, C/Y, we're making 12 payments a year and compounding 12 times a year. Okay, for the future value, then just do alpha enter on future value, and you're actually going to immediately get $146,663.16, and it'll be positive, and that's fantastic. It's exactly what we would want. So notice that we can do this particular question in 2 quick steps here. So the account has $146,663.16. And that's it. Now, obviously, I didn't show you how to do it on the TVM solver. You literally just type them in and do alpha enter where you need to. Alrighty, so again, see everything. Here it is. And I will see you all in the next video. Have fun.